It is Dan McDonald here, and we are wrapping up this video marathon. I kept the shirt on the whole time. It's been hot and sweaty, but I'm being such a good little boy. I do like to wear a shirt for these videos when I do Puradyne because hopefully you'll share them with your family and your friends. And a lot of times the ones with the shirtless dude, which is for my more hardcore viewers and stuff, that like the dude shirtless, I'm ripped underneath, you know what I'm saying, almost 50 years old. So it's kind of a good example of how you can be just slim and you don't have to get the dad bod if you keep your hormones and your exercise and your nutrition on point. But I made it through the whole day. But it's sunny. We've had nothing but rain and wind for weeks. We're talking sopping wet, soggy. So it's sunny. I need to get finished up here and go out and play because I got a lot of energy. And this is my lunch. I had breakfast, but believe it or not, many hours have passed as I've set up for videos and stuff. I'm going to make this, I should have done a better introduction. I got to get smarter about that when they come right on. So that on the social media, because of the goldfish on crack with the TikTok and the 30-second, educational videos, which I shouldn't knock, but we're quick, short, fix things, and this is more long-term education and whatnot. So you're getting like a teacher. Like I'm a teacher, not like really like I should get the skills to, hey, then they drive traffic back to my thing, hey, little 30-second stuff. But I like to talk about stuff. I like to do my style. I'll be old school, you know what I'm saying? Can you dig it? But I am 2 minutes in, about to make a superfood smoothie, man. Okay? So what I've got is equal parts banana, equal parts coconut, and equal parts papaya. Can you dig it? Boom, boom, boom. And you could make this with just one young Thai coconut. I'm going to add a little bit of Puradyne, the Life Biotic, to just galactivate it to the next level. I'm going to add some of the most awesomest, natural, purest, most versatile, most powerful, all 22 essential amino acids, vegan, living and raw dehydrated peas, hemp, goji berry fruit, which is one of the foods in nature that actually helps to produce growth hormone. All the berries are very good for the glands, but the goji berry is known for the human growth hormone. So when you start eating the Puradyne Natural, if you're in an anabolic building phase, which I'm not really there, but today I'm going to eat this and go for a gnarly workout. But it's just got 21 grams of protein for 2 scoops. 2 tablespoons is 21 grams of protein, calcium, iron, 3 grams of carbs, no saturated fat, and 2.5 grams of fat. So I'm going to put in just a couple tablespoons of Puradyne Natural, which is good for just these smoothies. I make like this peanut butter thing. I'll take this and some flax oil and make like a peanut butter. And you can dip celery or vegetables in that. You can also make amazing dressings. But the smoothies are kind of the best tasting way to do it. That's good. And then this is another all 22 essential amino acids, but this is more predominant in vitamin E, tocotrienols, antioxidants. And it's got 1 gram of fat, 3 grams of protein, and 9 grams of carbs. And it's just delicious. This is like baby food, you know what I mean? But it's got a lot of nutrition in it. And it fills in all the gaps, baby, so that you can be robust. Can you dig it? Oops, don't forget the last ingredient, Dan McDonald, and that is the coconut water. Now, you could obviously add all kinds of great stuff to that if you wanted to. Greens or green powders or anything. You could add anything you want to this. I'm going to make it a little thinner and share some with the ladies. Can you dig it? Cool, and then 1 quart of coconut water left over for tomorrow morning to start the day. Awesome. Beautiful. Clean. Superfood smoothie. Can you dig it? Coming to a town near you. And I'll share a little bit with the ladies because they're out there working. Half and half. I've been filling them so full of all this food. Perfect. Piece of coconut in my throat. There you go. That's the end of the video marathon. I may end up feeling like making the salad tonight, but that'll just be lettuce with one of those angel sauce dressings poured over the top. So boring. Sometimes I take collard greens and wrap it up. Sometimes I take nori wraps and wrap it up. Sometimes I'll take the coconut wraps and wrap up the greens and dip that in the angel sauce. But I like plain. Sometimes I just like to take, if I get the nice big lettuce, like let's take a look here real quick. If I get the nice big lettuce, which I think this might be, this is the fun stuff here, yeah. So you get these are pretty nice pieces, right? Size. These you just dip them in, and one at a time. It's like chips. Chips and dip is what these is. This is the perfect stuff for that. Some of them are just really tiny little small baby leaves. It depends on where I get the greens from. There's so many different places that I can get the greens from on island, and so I love the greens. So kind of like juices and fruits during the day to keep the energy high, because everything digests really well when it's living and fresh and whole and natural, and it's not like too many ingredients. It's like I might go maximum another one or two, like a little spirulina, little chlorella, maybe some raspberries, or you know what I mean. But you want to keep things simple. I've had people say, Dan, what do you think of my smoothie? And it's like leeks and broccoli and like oranges and grapes and like arugula. And you're like, whoa, I bet you number one, that tastes like doo-doo. And number two, I don't know how you can digest it. Simple, plain stuff that goes along, and then blending it, of course, makes a difference as well. Kind of marries it together. So there's a lot of things that you have to learn kind of intuitively. I can share my experience, but you have to have your own experiences, and then you'll find what works for you, what you like, the little nuances and stuff. So it's just a matter of getting in it. Blender, everything was blending today, which I didn't really think of. I do have a juice to make, but I'll probably do that, I don't know, tomorrow or whatever. But I think this video marathon is wrapped up, and I want to thank everyone for joining me, the comments, checking out the links down below, giving it a thumbs up, subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks Facebook, thanks YouTube, thanks Instagram, and thank everybody for everything, because it is cool and we are blessed. Can you dig it? A DTM. Oh, you gotta try this. I'm about to go out for some gnarly fitness. The sun is beautiful. Top. Hardy. Hardy, hardy, hardy. Peace.